Jai Gurudev. So today uh, I'll share some interesting experience which I had, and a very powerful one which absolutely gave a very different meaning to my life. So this is an incident which happened when I was in USA in 2014, and Guruji was in Chicago, and that was the last city where he was traveling back to India from. So I was sitting in this the hall where there are so many people, and then Guruji was having a small meeting, and suddenly after some time I saw a very interesting thing that the whole atmosphere in the hall became little sad. Everybody was kind of very sad, and so I was wondering that what has happened. When Guruji is around, there's people are like laughing and having so much fun. So I kind of went slowly closer to the place where Guruji was sitting with few people, and so I kind of overheard the conversation. So there were like this one lady and two gentlemen were sitting with him, and they were sharing. So these three people were the Yazidi activists from Iraq, and they were and this was 2014 when ISIS was in a very high. So Yazidis are one of the native tribes of Iraq. So, and their conversation with Gurudev was very, 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 very heartwarming. So this lady said, my cousin has been raped so many times and has been sold as a sex slave. The other two men said, all our family members, all our men in the family have been killed. And they were kind of asking help from Gurudev, and I could see that, he had so much concern and pain for what they were saying. Now I was wondering that what will he do in a situation where people have come from Iraq and asking help. So Guruji ne bola ki haan, don't worry, I'll be with you. My foundation and my entire family and my entire foundation, all the members of Art of Living will do whatever to help you. And then he said, I will also, I'm also coming to Iraq soon. Now that was very, 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 I will say, courageous. Like in 2014 when ISIS was on its peak, to say that I'll come to Iraq. And then these people also felt such a strength that somebody, they have come for help, and he is willing to come himself to Iraq. So this was, I think, August or October, I think so. So then Guruji left, and he next month went to Iraq. And while I was coming back from US to India, I happened to meet Gurudev in German ashram where he was coming. And then he was telling that, he had gone to Iraq where he met all the Yazidi people in the camps. And now these people have not seen Gurudev at all. Like now imagine in Iraq how the situation is, and Guruji comes to Iraq and these people don't know him. So he comes and he meets all of them. And what he told us, he said, I told all of the people that, just meditate every day for 10 minutes and, just pray to whomever you believe in. And then he said, if you can do these things, I assure you and I promise you that, you will be free before Christmas. And then Guruji said, and this was around 23rd of December. And he said, 3 days back, the army has defeated the ISIS, which had cordoned off the Sinjar mountain, where maximum Yazidis were stuck. This is the power of prayer, and this prayer can move mountains. It's something amazing.